Wouldn't you like to get a new car for your birthday? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this beautiful red bow. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So when it comes like this. And you're going to have to, I guess assemble it would be the right word, huh?
Yeah, it says find the pull string.
So we found the pull string. We're going to pull the string and see what happens.
It's actually working.
It's turning into a giant bow. A giant red bow. Holy cow. This could be used for a car, an RV, a giant... Look, we could put it on top of this really cool grooming table, and look, happy birthday to me!
Yay! You got a refrigerator!
Yeah! You can literally put it on anything. That's pretty cool.
And then there's extra ribbon if you want to tie it around the car.
Check that out.
Fridge or TV or...
Okay. You put it like this to make it look like a bow.
Well, it's got this already.
Right, but you could also put, if you didn't want it to say happy birthday, like if it was anniversary.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
You could put this... Cut that off. And
yeah, and you could put that there. Yeah, let's go see what it looks like on the car. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, I think that would look pretty cool if you came out in your driveway and you had a big bow on a car, or like I said, anything big. That's pretty cool.
I would like a big bow on my car.
Yeah, so this has a lot of uses. It's a beautiful bow. It's a little windy out here today. You can tell we took the extra ribbon and kind of put it around the car as well. But yeah, I think that's a win.